At Harbour Air, we're on the lookout for great aircraft maintenance engineers.
We do get a chance to work on a little bit of everything as aircraft mechanics. We have a large group maintaining the fleet. We've got over 100 employees keeping the airplanes flying safe. We've got over 40 aircraft in our fleet that includes Harbour Air seaplanes and Tantalus Air.
We do work on from a Cessna 172, 180 to all the way to now Pilatus PC-12s. We have the Twin Otters, we have the Otters, Beavers, Kodiaks. So we do have a great variety for people to come and work on, get experience on and just learn more.
Our mechanics will do sheet metal work, they'll do wiring, they'll do avionics, they'll do paint, they'll do a little bit of everything.
It's an incredibly challenging job. There's a lot of regulatory requirements, a lot of rules and things you have to follow, but it's incredibly rewarding as well to know that you've had a hand in keeping the aircraft safe.
When I came here, Vancouver, first time, I saw a seaplane flying around the downtown area, and then I pointed out I want to work on that plane, and that dream come true.
I got to say, it's a pleasure to work here. It's all about our people who make our business. We've been on a huge growth curve. It's a very exciting place to work, and we have a lot of fun at what we do.
I feel that I accomplish a lot at the end of the day. To see the progress I go through is rewarding, and it's a good environment to be in.
People here, it's like my family. Oh, please come here. Enjoy with us.
People stay at Harbour Air. They love the company, they love the atmosphere. I've been here 22 years and I want to get to work every morning.
It's a fun place to work, it's a unique place to work, and it has a lot of opportunity for advancement. I'm very proud of the team that we've assembled so far, and I'm hoping that we can assemble some more great people in our company.